How to animate your Christmas sweater in Procreate. Step 1. Remove all the objects from your sweater. To do that, first I like to duplicate my background image just so we have a copy. Next, select a clean area of the background image that you want to copy. So press copy and paste, and then just adjust the placement so that it covers the part of your image. Then lastly, just use the eraser tool. I like to use the soft brush to just blend the edges of the image. When you're happy with how your image is blending together, just merge it with the background image. So just repeat this process to cover up the rest of the object. Just copy and paste in clean parts of the image to cover up the object. And then lastly, don't forget to merge it with the background image. Step 2, we're going to cut out each object. So to do that, we're going to select our object and then copy and paste it to a new layer. I like to add a new color layer behind my object just so I can see a little better. Next, let's put a mask on our object, and with the mask selected, just use the color black to erase the background of our object. You could also use the eraser tool, but I think masks are much easier. When you're done cutting out your object, just merge the mask, and now your object is ready to animate. Just follow those steps to cut out the rest of your objects, and then let's move on, because it's time to animate. So I actually animated mine in After Effects, but you can also animate in Procreate. Just go to the wrench tool, canvas, and turn on your animation assist. Then make sure your image is set to background. We're gonna focus on just the hand for now, so just throw everything else in one group and hide it. To start this animation, I'm just gonna duplicate this hand layer, then I'm gonna use the transform tool to just rotate it a little bit. Then I'm gonna duplicate this layer again, rotate it a little more, and then a little more. Next thing you know, you have a little animation. Next, let's animate the snowflake. I'm gonna grab the snowflake layer and I'm gonna group it with the first frame of our animation. So once again, I'm just gonna duplicate the snowflake layer, group it with the second frame of our animation, and just move the second frame of our animation. So just so you know, any layers that are grouped together will play as one frame in the animation. Just keep animating different objects until you've animated everything in your sweater. Let me know if this was helpful, and happy holidays.